This step is called preparation of soil. We are ploughing the field from tractor. You can see Ananya sitting in the tractor. This is the first step of agriculture.
And I'm going to show you sowing of the seeds. This is from where we put the seeds from these holes, and the seeds go down there from the pipe. This is the pipe. Now I'm going to show you irrigation. Irrigation means watering the plants, and can you see the black pipes? It is a dripping system. Dripping system is a system which provides water to the plants. It saves 70% of the water wastage. And now here is fertilizer. Now the next step is fertilizers. Adding manure. So fertilizer. This is a fertilizer. And now you can see that we have planted drumsticks, and we have planted drumsticks in a proper measurement. And between the drumsticks you can see the little plants, and these are onion, and we have planted onion between the drumsticks. Now the next process is weeding. Weeding means taking out the unwanted plants from the soil near the main crop. You can see we have done weeding near the drumstick. Now the next process is harvesting and threshing. So we have already harvested the soya beans, and we are sun drying it for threshing, and you can see we are doing threshing there. Now the harvesting is a process in which we first sun dry the main crop, then we thresh it to take out the weeds. And you can see this is how soybean looks after this. This is soybean. Now I had shown you the traditional way of threshing. Now I'm going to show you modern technology. So this is a threshing machine. We put the crop here and it goes out from there. We put it from here and it comes out from there. Hi, so now I'm going to show you rainwater harvesting system. And we have made an artificial pond for rainwater harvesting system because in olden days the farmers were totally dependent on rain. So they did farming in rainy seasons. But now we humans have developed rainwater harvesting system. Now rainwater harvesting system is a system which provides water to the dripping system, and I have already shown you what's a dripping system. And can you see the black pipeline? It provides water to the dripping system, and we have also put some little fishes in it because the wastage of the fish is a manure to the plants, and it is an advantage because we don't have to put manures in it. After ploughing the soil, the field looks like this. Now I'm going to show you goat farming and the advantage of that. So you can see my goat farming, and the advantage of that is that when you do farming along with goat farming, when you grow some crops or some plants, there are some unwanted weeds that we have near our main crop. So when we take it out, it is a food to the goats. So we don't need to buy an extra food from the shop, and it also saves money. And when we do goat farming along with farming, the wastage of goat is a fertilizer to the plants. So there's an advantage of that, and we don't need to always throw all things. Now you can see these are the leftover of the main plant which we have we threshed it, is a very good food for the goat. So we can store it and then feed the goats. You can see the leftover of our means. Now I'm going to show you some of my fruit garden, some of my trees. So you can see this is a tree of a chiku, and we have planted many mangoes here, like there and there, and we have also planted some papayas. This is a plant of a papaya, and if we do fish farming and goat farming and fruit farming along with farming, it adds additional income to the farmers. Thank you. I hope you liked it, and you're always welcome in